What about this one? You want that? Would you like this? Well, you have some avocado on your finger. Put your finger in your mouth. There you go. Does that feel weird? I don't think he's really impressed with avocados so far.